AR-100 has come in helpful because now we are consistent with our quality. We have cut down our production time. We are a lot more confident in the manner of our quality that we're able to do batch inspection rather than doing individual inspection. So it has saved us time, money, and a lot of headache at the end of the day. My name is Arnab Roy. I'm the production manager here at Intuitive Machines. I particularly work in the manufacturing facility here, where we're building the IM-1 Nova C lunar lander. In space, we have to deal with a lot of temperature differences. In order to make that, we have to use flight-grade epoxy to bond the metal to the composite. And in this particular process of the bonding, the quality and the consistency of the epoxy is very important. And because of that, we have purchased the AR-100 THINKY mixer in order to degas and mix the epoxy, which is a two-part epoxy, to control our quality and to make sure the product that we're receiving, we can trust on that every time. Our techs at Intuitive Machines have gone through this process where they are able to confidently mix part 1 and part B into the THINKY mixer, being able to use that as an off-gas mix epoxy within the given allotted pot life for injection bonding to butter bonding to many other applications.